To use Starter King, simply turn the piece with the seam pointing away from you, place your thumbs in the center and apply pressure. The piece will break into 2 longer starters. This can be broken a second time for a total of 4 starts per Starter King block. If you struggle to break the starter, simply place on a flat surface and firmly tap. Then cross your thumbs and break the piece in half. Place the small piece on a flat, dry surface with the jagged edges up and light. You are ready to go. Here is an example of lighting a charcoal chimney for your charcoal grill. Place 1 small piece of Starter King block on a flat surface and light. Then simply place your loaded up charcoal chimney on top of the starter and wait. On average, it takes Starter King 8 minutes to get your chimney glowing hot. Here is an example of lighting a wood campfire with Starter King. Simply place 1 small piece of Starter King at the base of your fire pit or fireplace, light the piece, and finish your wood teepee around the lit Starter King. In our experience, it only takes 5 to 7 minutes for dry wood to ignite. When using Starter King as directed, you can expect to get up to 16 uses from the standard pack and up to 32 uses from our jumbo pack. We hope you enjoy your Starter King experience.